Welcome to AffairsCloud. My name is Vikas Rana. We are one-stop solution for current affairs. You can find Crack Current Affairs course on our application exclusively for current affairs, where you will get daily, weekly, monthly content on regular basis. Use the code Vikas10 and get 10% additional discount while purchasing the course. Also, students, follow us on Telegram and Instagram. The link for the same are mentioned in our description. This video has both English and Hindi. The first part is English and second part is Hindi. Timestamps are mentioned in the description below. Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are all doing good. Students, in this video we are talking about a single topic, that is Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. This scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015. The aim of this scheme is to provide agriculture relief. Correct? And it has recently completed 10 years. So here we are talking that it will be benefiting the agriculture sector, right? As the name suggests, Krishi Sinchai Yojana. It is an initiative of government that will advance irrigation-led agriculture transformation in India. So focus here will be on the irrigation, that is promoting irrigation, that every farm gets ample amount of water. This will be done through sustainable water management practices and the expansion of the irrigation coverage. Then we see this was launched on 1st July in 2015 by the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi with a budgetary outlay of 50,000 crore rupees, and it has been launched for 5 years, right? The first phase, then again it was extended for the next 5 years from 2021 to 2026 with an outlay of 93,000 crore rupees this time. And now we have seen a total of 10 years for this scheme has been completed. This is an important scheme. It will benefit the farmers in the long run, as the water is important for their farming, right? So if they won't get the proper irrigation, their farm will not flourish. In order to do so, that farm flourishes and the farmer's income also increases, this initiative was launched. Now, if we see here, this scheme comprises of 4 main components, that is Accelerated Irrigation Benefit Program, Har Khet Ko Pani Initiative, Watershed Development Component, and Per Drop More Crop. As of August, this scheme has benefited more than 27 million farmers and created or restored irrigation potential across 24.61 million hectares with budgetary support of 64,000 hectares. Since the inception of the PDMC component, 110 lakh hectare of land have been brought under this micro irrigation, and adoption of the sprinkler irrigation under the scheme in 2026 resulted in an increase of crop yield by 25 to 30%, reduced the use of water, electricity, labor and fertilizer requirements by 50%, and reported profits of around 60,000 to 70,000 rupees per hectare. Now, some other schemes that were launched by the government that benefited the farmer. This is your direct income support and pension scheme, that is PMKSY scheme, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi. It provides a direct financial assistance of 6,000 rupees per year to all land holding farmer families across India. The amount is disbursed in 3 equal payments of 2,000 rupees each directly into the Aadhaar seeded bank accounts. Then next is Pradhan Mantri Kisan Man Dhan Yojana, a voluntary and contributory pension scheme for small and marginal farmers that are aged 18 to 40 years. It guarantees a monthly income of 3,000 rupees after they reach the age of 60 to provide old age social security. Then next is risk management and financial safety nets, that is Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana. This is a subsidized crop insurance scheme that protects the farmers from crop losses that are caused by non-preventable natural disasters, pests, disease, covering the cycle from sowing to harvesting. Then next is Kisan Credit Card expansion. It provides institutional credit at concessional interest rates. The scheme has been extended to cover animal husbandry, dairy, fisheries, and the loan limit has been increased from 5 lakh rupees to 3 lakh rupees to 5 lakh rupees. In this, loans are provided. Then infrastructure and technology modernization, that is AIF, Agriculture Infrastructure Fund. This is a medium to long-term debt financing facility aimed at creating post-harvest management infrastructure such as your cold chains, warehouses, processing units and community-led farming assets. Then next is Digital Agriculture Mission DIM. It implements a dedicated digital public infrastructure that provides technological solutions, mapping data and streamlined service directly to the farmers. And then Namo Drone Didi scheme will empower the women self-help groups to train with drones, right, so that they can use the drones in their agriculture sector. So these are certain schemes apart from the one that we just discussed, that is your Pradhan Mantri Krisi Sichai Yojana, which completed 10 years this year in 2026. So I hope the session was up to the mark, students. Do watch these one single topic videos on daily basis. It covers the important topic for the day as well as some other important news such as these current affairs. These schemes were covered here, so they are quite beneficial for you.